Hey everyone, if you've just unboxed your Vissani portable air conditioner, this quick setup guide will help you get it installed correctly and running efficiently from the very first use. Doing these steps properly protects the compressor, improves cooling performance, and prevents air leaks. After unboxing, place the unit upright and let it stand for at least 2 hours before turning it on. This allows the internal compressor fluids to settle and prevents damage from shipping. While waiting, lay out the window kit components and measure your window opening. Adjust the extension panels to fit either vertical or horizontal sliding windows, then apply the foam seals to the window frame and sash to create an airtight barrier. Insert the vent panel into the window, secure it firmly, and install the window lock bracket so the window stays sealed during operation. Next, connect the exhaust hose by snapping it securely into the coupling and window adapter, then lock the coupling into the back of the unit. Make sure the hose runs straight without sharp bends, as restricted airflow reduces efficiency. Plug the unit directly into a grounded wall outlet, press the reset button on the power plug, and turn the unit on using the control panel. Choose between cool mode for temperature control, dry mode for humidity removal, or fan mode for air circulation. Adjust fan speed, set your desired temperature, and use the timer function if you want automatic on or off operation for added convenience and energy savings.